Hello, I'm Margot Mott, and in this short video we're going to show you how to measure yourself. This can be done in inches or centimetres. It's important though to have the aid of someone to help you in front of a mirror. It's a step-by-step, easy to do, and of course it is made in Australia, here on the Gold Coast. And I'd like to present to you jackets. And the jackets is all about the fit and the feel. More importantly, when you're looking to measure, which is what we're aiming to do it in front of a mirror with the aid of someone to help you. So we start with the length first of all. We take it from the actual mid-shoulder length across the bust line and to your preferred length. Now in length, it's very wise that most of us look at a jacket to cover the buttocks and the crotch. Not too high. When you're wearing skirts, you can get away with a shorter jacket style, but in pants, always cover the crotch. Now, also the sleeve. We take it from the outer side and we measure it all the way through to whatever length you like. You can have it short, you can have it below your elbow, or you can have it all the way down to suit you. This is important as well. Make sure that you measure the upper arm. The upper arm, of course, which can be a fuller arm at any time, but also where your elbow is, just above the elbow, is where you need to actually measure that other measurement, so that my team and I can make sure we can get you the right fit. Now, in some cases as well, it's important to realise that some of my jackets do have splits, and they're all recognised when you see the website. This one has a split as well, and we normally have a split about that size because we really want to have room and comfort, and that to me is very important. Now, in some jackets, some ladies don't like shoulder pads, but I have to point out my shoulder pads are not big, thick ones. They're delicately designed so they fit nicely over the shoulder to straighten the shoulder line. And doing that, you've always got to put a request, yes, I would like a shoulder pad, which sits up, and you can realise that what we do, we always add and have it put in such a way, not with Velcro, but it is actually hand stitched. And that, ladies, is how you measure the jacket length. Thank you.